Whoever invented the cell phone was a genius. You can talk to each other in real time, even if you're far apart. What kind of magic is that? When you make a call, your voice is captured by the microphone. Sound is essentially airborne vibration. And the magic converter converts it into a digital signal. The digital signal records your voice as zeros and ones. Then an antenna sends the signal as an electromagnetic wave. So the principle is very simple. As long as the electromagnetic wave can be transmitted to the other person's cell phone, you can establish a call. But electromagnetic waves can't travel very far because electromagnetic waves are easily blocked by buildings or interfered by other devices and weather. Even in an open space, electromagnetic waves cannot be transmitted all the time because the Earth is a curved structure. In order to solve this problem, base stations were created. Base station signal coverage is circular, and the honeycomb arrangement can cover the maximum range. This is the origin of the cellular network. These base stations are connected by fiber optic cables. Fiber optic cables connect the world across 4 oceans. So the electromagnetic waves from cell phones are first received by the base stations. The base stations convert them into high-frequency light pulses. These pulses are then transmitted to the base station's transceiver at the bottom, and then through the fiber optic cable to the other side's base station. The base station receives the pulses and transmits them to your friend's cell phone, and the whole process takes place at almost the speed of light. That's why we can talk in real time. Now you know what we're talking about. Cell phone wireless communication is actually based on a finite medium. But there's a problem that hasn't been solved yet. There are tens of millions of base stations around the world. How does the signal know which base station your friend is at? This is where the role of the mobile switching center comes to the fore. This is where all of our phones come together to form a telephone network. No matter where your friend is in the world. This global telephone network will eventually send light pulses to your friend's mobile switching center. Even if your friend is speeding down the highway, the location of the base station is constantly updated. Now let's summarize it in full. When you dial your friend's number, your call request travels through the base station to the mobile switching center where you are. Then it's sent to your friend's mobile switching center. Then the base station first checks to see if your friend's cell phone is off or on the air. If everything is fine, your friend's cell phone will ring, and then you can talk.